raindrops, thousands of them falling at once, as though the clouds are crying tears of truth, of tenderness, of purity. Our souls drink them in, even while holding an umbrella high to shield our heads, or peer out our living room window while wrapped in a shawl. We absorb the raindrops, and they assuage our woes. Your heart, your broken heart, mends only during those showers that drown out the daylight. And the morning glory was when you loved the strongest. Each memory turned rot is washed away in the willing rains.